Not quite the smiley face, flat turn when you stop, because you're still at a high angle with your paddle, but you go just a little further. This is sort of like, you know, when you learn to ride a bicycle or drive a car, how far do you turn the steering wheel, or how much do you lean the bicycle or move the handlebars? It's basically the same thing. So it really is a muscle memory that builds in. If it makes you feel any better, my first year or two in this sport, I was all over the lake. So it took me a while to do it. I think there's a benefit though for somebody like me, because I'm not Jim Thorpe, okay? I'm not one of those people, and most of us aren't. You can see somebody do something and you can repeat it perfectly. No. Okay. In all cases so far, I'd like you to stay in the middle of your boat, sitting upright, spine vertical. You don't need any leaning. Any paddle and your torso. Any questions on that?